The co-CEOs of Panda Restaurant Group believe in being responsible members of the community, and that belief is reflected in how the company treats the environment.
Panda Restaurant Group is very focused on sustainability. We see that here in this building, which houses 500 plus people, with composting, with reclaimed water, with LED lights and sensors. The Panda employee engagement on charging and EV cars is all-encompassing. So starting at the very top of our company, our founders, Andrew and Peggy Chen, drives EV cars.
That's why additional electric vehicle chargers in the parking lot of the company's headquarters in Rosemead seemed like a natural fit. But there were challenges.
At our support center at Panda, we knew that when we wanted to add additional charging stations, we were not adding a few. We were thinking of adding quite a few more. And we were concerned that we would not have enough power to handle the additional load. So in order to help with that challenge, we worked with SCE, and they were very supportive in helping us bring in more power.
Panda connected with Southern California Edison through the Charge Ready program, which helps business customers with the cost of installing electric vehicle charging.
With the Charge Ready program with SCE, we were able to install 30 stations. They're dual-headed stations, so we have 60 new chargers, which is fantastic. The construction went very well with this installation. It's a pretty big installation, taking up half of our back parking lot. But we also have 500 plus people coming in and out during the week, and we made sure that we didn't interrupt their ability to park and to use the facilities. And Edison was incredible in working around our timetable and working on weekends and working quickly in order to accomplish putting in the EV stations.
And adding the new stations has encouraged even more employees to drive electric.
Other associates very quickly got in on the bandwagon to take advantage of being stewards of the environment, as well as being able to save money and better their lives. We have been very impressed with the SCE Charge Ready program. Very collaborative, worked with our needs, and so it's a true win-win partnership, and I would encourage anyone to look into partnering with SCE.